This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. As you've read in the title, we have a studio makeover renovation underway. My beautiful partner, she has mapped out the shelves and now she is just using power tools. I just find it so amazing. She's just so handy to quickly drill some holes and then put up these gorgeous shelves. Since the beginning of my nail journey, my dream has been to have some shelves to be able to showcase my favorite polishes. And now with the big move and getting to settle in to our new beautiful home in British Columbia, just rolls off the tongue. We're literally in paradise, and part of that paradise is my nail studio. So my beautiful partner, I have a small space in our bedroom that is going to be my nail studio for now, and I'm just so excited to bring you this beautiful organize with me and room renovation. So let's get into all the magic. So our cross-country trip, to our new home, took a total of 6 days, over 4,000 kilometers. So we literally went across Canada. And let me tell you, New Canada was beautiful, but I did not realize how stunning, especially here with the Rocky Mountains, the gorgeous oceanside views, it's just absolutely breathtaking. So this is in transition right now. We literally just moved in under 2 days ago. So just trying to get certain things set up in our bedroom/studio. And as you see the view, oh my gosh, it is just so inspirational. So there's definitely going to be some special sets inspired by British Columbia. So right now I am just taking all of my Madam Glam products. I wanted to make sure the show wall was all of my Madam Glam goodies because, as you guys know, Madam Glam is vegan, 21 free, cruelty free, palm oil free, and HEMA free. So it is amazing for people like me that I feel like I'm just allergic to the world. So just knowing that I have the freedom to use these products, I just wanted to make sure I was showcasing them, and as well for when I'm doing character art and different projects, I can just have a full view of all of the amazing goodies. Now before I get into all of the magic, this is going to be the first of many organize with me's because I am literally unpacking the entire studio. So this is just a small part, it's still a large part, but just also when you think of, your nail lamps, all of your stickers, decals, bling, just all of the nail art supplies, the glitter, and then all the different products we have. It's quite the haul, quite the collection. So I just wanted to focus on all of my Madam Glam goodies today, but if you make sure you subscribe, you'll be able to see all the other Organize With Me's as I set up this beautiful studio. Don't get me wrong, the little cases are so amazing, the nail polish cases for organizing, but there's just this point when everything is put away that you have to almost take out everything to truly be able to see what you have. So that is why I'm so excited about these shelves, because I'm going to try to do between 2 to 3 deep polish wise. So, oh gosh, I'm dying laughing over here. I had Lizzie McGuire on, so I was just turning it up in all of the magic. Now, bear with me because we are still unpacking everything and organizing and getting everything for our new home. So I look a hot mess express, okay? But that is not what this is about. This is not a glamour video. This is an organize with me and just setting up the brand new studio. This is a first. I have never been able to truly settle like this, so I'm just so excited, with enough room, to set everything up. So it's my partner, myself, and my best friend. We're all living together. So this is my best friend's puppy, Mr. Kovu. He is a gorgeous Shepherd mix golden retriever, so we call him a black golden. He is everything, and he is also my little sidekick. So he was helping out with all of the organizing. So you're gonna get to see some adorable close-ups. I just had to have some puppy therapy in the middle of everything. Now, when I took everything out, I was shooketh. So as you guys know, I have really bad chronic pain, and overhead work is like really hard on the body, especially where I have certain cysts and things like that due to my chronic illness. So I definitely took a lot of breaks in the middle of all of this, but I just tried to make sure that I recorded as much as possible so you guys could see the gorgeous brand new setup. So I'm just gonna leave myself to it, leave you guys, and I'll be popping back in. But I really hope you enjoy this organize with me, and please let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see more things like this on the channel, because as you know, with getting settled in a new place, there is a lot of organizing, going through the collections and things of that nature, so there's gonna be a ton. I also got some rubbing alcohol and some kitchen towel and just tried to make sure that all the bottles were squeaky clean so that they could be primo presentation. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I can't tell you the entire time of this 6-day trip, I saw the most breathtaking sights I've ever seen, but I definitely missed you guys so much. So I can't wait to see you guys in the comments, and I really hope that you love this Organize With Me video. And also a huge shout out to Madam Glam. So I made sure on the right hand corner I'm gonna have like a Madam Glam feature, so that's gonna be their collection of the month. So I'm gonna switch these out, and also this section here is mostly like my base coat, top coat, builder gels, velvet mats, specialty top coats, and things of that nature. And then on the second up, I wanted to kind of do as much of a rainbow as possible. And then we have more specialty polishes going on the third rack. And then up top, we have all of the pastel dreams. So that third rack I was talking about, that's also going to have reflective polishes, super cat eyes, silver golds, also pudding gels, and we're going to also do a full organization of all of my painting gels. So this is a big undertaking, but in the same way, it is so very therapeutic. So sorry, what I was trying to say is a huge thank you to Madam Glam for all the goodies that they've sent out this past year. And so this is a collection of things I've purchased with the VIP, like with my VIP account, and also goodies that Madam Glam has sent. So sending a huge love over to Madam Glam and Karina. Thank you so very much. But I can't help it, I want you for me. this is the finished, beautiful product. Now, by no means am I done organizing. As I was saying, I have tons of other goodies that I've got to bruck out. I still have my Medusa, my Born Pretty, my D&D, Kiara Sky, like so many other goodies that I've got to take out, and all of my nail art magic. So that's going to be in future videos, but I wanted to share the gorgeous view. I am currently catching up on Dead Like Me. It's one of my favorite series, so I popped that in there while I was just getting everything ready. And so this is a sneak peek of everything we've done so far. And this is just going to be a first for the series because we are going to be doing so much more organizing. So if you enjoyed this, as I say, please leave a comment down below, share it with a friend. It truly helps the channel. If this is a first for you, please subscribe. That's how you join the nail family, and it would mean the world. I was just about to say, I was cuddling up with Sir Kovu there. He is so handsome. I can't get over how beautiful these shelves turned out. Everything just looks sublime. So I can't wait to share more of this journey with you, my beautiful nail family, and catch you in the next video. As I always say, do all things with love. Mwah. And wherever this video found you, I pray it found you so well. Thank you so much for watching.
I've come too far to give up what